Welcome to this video. This is about 0580 non-calculator practice questions for paper 2 based upon the topic algebra and graphs. So first one, 18x to the power of, so let me zoom that one to have a proper look of that. So 18x to the power of 18 divided by 18x to the power of 18 divided by 9x to the power of 9. So 9 times 1, 9 times 2, so it is 2, and x to the power of 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 becomes 9. 2x power 9 is the answer. Factorize completely. So for this, what should I be doing it out? 1 plus x as it is. So I take 1 plus x as it is. Negative y common from the last two, so it becomes again 1 plus x. So again 1 plus x common, so it will be left over with 1 minus y. Factorize completely 2x cubed. So I can take out 2x common. So what am I left over with? X square minus 9y square. So 2x times x square minus 3y whole square. So which is going to be 2x times x plus 3y times x minus 3y. Next, the graph of a cubic function has two turning points if x is less than 0 and when x is greater than 4, the gradient of the graph is positive. So x is less than 0 and x is less than 4. So 0 and 4. And between 0 to 4, the gradient of the graph is negative. So between 0 to 4, the gradient of the graph is negative. So therefore, what am I going to do? I'm going to draw the graph between 0 to 4 as like this. And it says that it is passing through origin. That is the reason I have drawn it out over here. Now, but between less than 0, it is negative. Less than 0, the graph is positive. So it is going up. So what am I going to do? I'm going to draw in this way. And greater than 4 also, it goes up. So this is the most suitable graph. So we can see that x is less than 0, the graph is going up, which is the gradient is positive. And x is less than 4, also the gradient is positive. Whereas between 0 to 4, the gradient is going to be negative. Totally it is negative, it is coming down. This is going to be the graph. Next question. Solve the simultaneous equations. So I'm going to subtract both. So it becomes minus plus minus 3y gets cancelled. Negative x equals to negative 4. 7 minus 11 is 4. So what is that value of x? X equals to 4. X equals to 4. Plug in x value is 4. 4 minus 3y equals to 7. 4 minus 7 equals to 3y. 3y equals to negative 3. Y equals to negative 1. Next, rearrange the formula to find t in terms of s and a. So 2s equals to at squared. T square equals to 2s upon a. T equals to square root of 2s upon a. And use plus minus. But time cannot be negative, so therefore only plus. Factorize 5x common. So what does it become? 5, only 5 common, not 5x common. So 5 common, it becomes x square minus 4y square. So it becomes f 5 times x square minus 2y whole square. So 5 times x plus 2y and x minus 2y. Find the nth term of the sequence. So for 1 it is 8, for 2 it is 17, for 3 it is 32, for 4 it is 53, and 5 it is 80. So what is the first differences? First differences is this is 9 and this is 15 and this is 21 and this is 27. Now what will be the second differences? Second differences are 6, 6 and 6. So the second differences are same. Therefore it will be in the form of ax square, an square plus bn plus c. it will be in that form. So when n equals to 1, it is going to be 8. So if at all n equals to 1, it's going to be 8. So a plus b plus c equals to nothing but what? 8. I got it out, a plus b plus c equals to 8. Then I'll be taking it out from there. So for that, what should I be doing it out is, I have to find it out the values of a, b and c. A, b and c. For that, I will be using the formula. So what formula I'm going to use it out? Let me write that formula over here. So whenever the second differences are same, it is going to be quadratic, an square plus bn plus c. So I'm writing it out over there as, first n equals to 1, which is a plus b plus c equals to 8. So then if n equals to 2, let me write here again, if n equals to 2, it's going to second page, there's an error over there. So I push this one over here and push this one here so that it can be written n equals to 2. If n equals to 2, then am I going to get it as 4a plus 2b plus c equals to 17. Then n equals to 3. It becomes 9a plus 3b plus c equals to 32. So I got three equations. So what am I going to do that? I'm going to subtract these two equations. So I'll be getting a two new equation, which is 3a plus b equals to 9. Then I'm going to subtract these two equations, the second and the third equation. This is first and second. Now this is second and third. If I subtract, I'll be getting it out 5a plus b equals to 15. Now if at all I solve these two, I subtract it out, 2a equals to 6, a equals to 3. Plug in a equals to 3, we will be getting it out 9 plus b, a equals to 3 in this equation. So 9 plus b equals to 9, so b equals to 0. Then plug in a equal to 3 and b equal to 0 in the first one. 3 plus 0 plus c equals to 8, so c equals to 5. So what should be the answer? 3n square plus 5. Question number 9. Find the value of dy by dx when x equals to 5. So dy by dx equals to 3 times 2x minus 12. Then dy by dx at x equals to 5, which is 6 times 5 minus 12, which is 18. Find the coordinates of the point when the gradient is 0. So 6x minus 12 equals to 0. 6x equals to 12, x equals to 2. So plug in x equals to 2. So what do I get? When I substitute x equals to 2, y equals to 3 times 2 square minus 12 times 2 plus 7. That's going to be nothing but what? 12 minus 24 plus 7, which is negative 5. So 2 comma negative 5 is the answer. Sketch the graph of this x plus 1, 3 minus x, and 3 plus x. So what are the points of intersection with the graph? Minus 1, then again minus 3. Because of this is minus 1, this is 3, and this is minus 3. And again at 3. These are the graphs. Now, how should I know? Substitute any point between 1, minus 1, and 3. So let us substitute 0. If I plug in 0, f of 0 becomes 0 plus 1, 3 minus 0, and 3 plus 0, which is going to be positive. So this part is going to be positive. So the graph should be looking it out in this way, approximately in this way. This should be the shape of the graph. Now we need to know crossing the y-axis. What point is this y-axis? Substitute x equals to 0, then what am I going to get it out? It's going to be 9. So in that point is going to be 9. Then expand and simplify. So 2x minus 3 times x squared minus 4x plus 6x minus 24. So 2x minus 3 times x squared minus 10x minus 24. So multiply, it becomes 2x cubed minus 20x squared minus 48x minus 3x squared plus 30x plus 72. So my final answer is going to be 2x cubed. Then I want it out for the x square. So this x square was 30x, 3x square plus 30x plus 72. So what am I going to do that? I'm going to, so coming to question number 11. So it is 2x minus 3 times, multiply these both, x square plus 6x minus 4x minus 24. So it becomes 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3 times x squared x squared plus 2x minus 24. Then multiply further, 2x cubed 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 48x minus 3x squared minus 6x plus 48x minus 6x plus 72. So it becomes 2x cubed is alone, so 2x cubed. 4x squared minus 3x squared is plus x squared. 48x minus 6x. So this is going to be minus 48x. Negative 48x minus negative 6x is negative 54x and plus 72. That's going to be the answer. Then simplify. A minus 3a is negative 2a. 7b minus 2b is 5b. So answer is negative 2a plus 5b is going to be the answer. Next question number 13. Write as a single fraction. So write the common denominator. Common denominator is x minus 5 times 2x. 3 times 2x minus 7 times x minus 5. So it becomes 6x minus 7x plus 35 divided by x minus 5 times 2x, which is going to be 35 minus x upon x minus 5 times 2x. Question number 14. Solve it. So cross multiplication. I'm going to get 13 minus 4x. 13 minus 4x equals to 18 minus 3x. So 13 minus 18 equals to minus 3x plus 4x. Negative 5 equals to x. So x equals to negative 5. Factorize and simplify it out. I can take 3a common, or I will write it as 12 as 2 times 2 times 3 times a times a minus 3 times 7 times a. We can clearly see that I can take 3a common. So it becomes 3a. So what am I left over with? 4a squared minus 7. There are first four terms of the sequence. Find the nth term of this sequence. So it is minus 8 and minus 8 and minus 8. So it has to be minus 8n plus maybe x. So I need to find it out the value of x. So what is that? N equals to 1. So minus 8 times 1 plus x should be equals to 15. So x equals to nothing but how much? 23. So minus 8n plus 23 is going to be the answer. Question number 17. A to the power of 8 divided by a to the power of p equals to a to the power of 2. A to the power of 8 minus p equals to a to the power of 2. 8 minus p equals to 2. So p equals to 8 minus 2 and it is equals to 6. Question number 18. Find the nth term of the sequence is given. Find the first three terms. N equals to 1, 1 squared plus 7. 2 square plus 7, 3 square plus 7, which is 8, 11, and 16. The diagram shows two functions. Write down each function. So over here y equals to mx plus c. Y coordinate the y-intercept is 5, so y equals to mx plus 5. Now this point we can point is minus 5 comma 0. So plug in 0 equals to m times negative 5 plus 5. Negative 5m equals to negative 5, m equals to 1. So what will be the equation? Y equals to x plus 5. Part B, this is clearly sine function, sine x, but the maximum value is 2 and the minimum value is minus 2. So therefore it has to be 2 sine x. Sketch the graph of y equal to x minus 1 whole square. Basically x square is going to be this one. This is x square. This graph is for x square. X minus 1 whole square means shift this graph 1 unit to the right side. So I'm going to shift this graph 1 unit to the right side. So this is x minus 1 whole square. Sketch the graph of y equal to half x plus 1. Half x plus 1, the y-intercept is 1. So it passes through 1 and its gradient is plus half. So it goes up. So it should be approximately, this is the way. Then solve this equation. Cross multiplication, what do I get it out? 30x plus 75 equals to 14 times 3 is 42 minus 14x. 30x plus 14x equals to 42 plus 75. 44x equals to 7 and 117. 117. Then what am I going to do that? 30x plus 75 equals to 42 minus 14x. So it's going to be 117 divided by 44. So but over here, so question number, so now coming to question number 21. So I do the cross multiplication. 2x plus 5 times 15. I do question number 21. So 2x plus 5 times 15 should be equals to 14 times 3 minus x. So it becomes 30x plus 75 equals to 42 minus 14x. So 30x plus 14x equals to 42 minus 75. 44x equals to minus 33. So when I do that, I should be able to get that as x equals to negative 33 divided by 44, which is negative 3 by 4, which is negative 0.75. Simplify that, x and x gets cancels. 3 times 1, 3 times 3. So it becomes 5 upon 1 times 3 upon 20. Then 5 and 20 can also be cancelled, 4. So answer is going to be 3 upon 4. Next question number 23, solve it. So 20 minus 12x equals to 23. 20 minus 23 equals to 12x. 12x equals to negative 2. Negative 3. X equals to negative 3 by 12. X equals to negative 1 upon 4. Question number 24. So multiply it out. It becomes 3x times 2x is 6x squared. 3x times y is 3xy minus 10xy minus 5y squared. So it's going to be 6x squared minus 7xy minus 5y squared. Write down x squared plus 10x plus 14 in a completing square. X squared, 10x can be written as 2 times 5 times x plus 14. So what am I going to do? Add 5 square which is 25, subtract 25. So that these three terms will become x plus 5 whole square, and minus 25 plus 14 is nothing but what? Minus 11. So it's going to be x plus 5 whole square minus 11. On the axis y equal to x square plus 10, x plus 14, we have to draw that one. So it's going to be a parabola. That's for sure. It's going to be a U-shaped parabola. Now the turning point is 5 comma negative 11. 5 comma negative 11, and when it is passing through 0, it is 14. So this point is 5, this is negative 14, and this point is going to be positive 14. Question number 26. Simplify p upon 2q times 4pq upon t. So what is that? Only q and q gets cancels. 2 times 1, 2 times 2. So what is that answer? It's going to be 2p square upon t. Question number 27. Find y as a subject. So 2y square equals to h square minus x square. Y square equals to h square minus x square upon 2. Y equals to plus minus square root of h square minus x square upon 2. Don't forget to write plus minus. Then expand and simplify. Keep x plus 3 as it is. Multiply it out. 3x square minus 15x minus x plus 5. So x plus 3, 3x squared minus 16x plus 5. Multiply it further. So I'll be getting it out. 3x cubed plus 9x squared minus 16x squared minus 48x plus 5x plus 15. So when I simplify, 3x cubed is there as it is. 9x squared minus 16x squared is 7x squared. Minus 48x plus 5x is minus 43x plus 15. Question number 29. 2x whole square. It can be written as 2x whole square minus y square whole square. So it can be written as 2x plus y square times 2x minus y square. Question number 30. Find the nth term. So again, over here, just like last time, a plus b plus c equals to, so I simplify that and write a plus b plus c equals to 4, and I did 4a plus 2b plus c equals to 7, and 9a plus 3b plus c equals to 12. Then subtract these both. 3a plus b equals to 3, and subtract these both. 5a plus b equals to 5. Then again subtract these both. 2a equals to 2, a equals to 1. Plug in a equals to 1 in the first equation, so b equals to 0. Then 1 plus 0 plus c equals to 4, c equals to 3. So what's going to be the answer? N square plus 3. Next, we have up to 33. Last, on the axis y equals to 2 to the power of minus x. 2 to the power of minus x should be in this way, passing through 1. This is the standard shape. Then these are the first 5 terms of a sequence. Find the nth term of this sequence. So this is negative 7, negative 7, negative 7, and negative 7. So it has to be minus 7x plus x. Now when n equals to 1, minus 7 times 1 plus x should be equals to 25. So x equals to 32. So it is 32 minus 7n. 33rd question, x cubed minus 4x. So take x common. It becomes x squared minus 4. So it becomes x times x plus 2 times x minus 2. So that's going to be the factorization. So then the roots are going to be 0, negative 2, and positive 2. Negative 2 and positive 2. Now am I going to substitute any one number? 1. If I substitute 1, it becomes 1 plus 2 and 1 minus 2. It's going to be positive, positive, and negative. So total answer is negative. So for 1, it's negative. So it's going to be downwards. This is going to be the shape of the graph. and don't forget to end it out in a perfect way. So that completes this video. See you in the next video. Bye.